Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PCG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, a rough day overall, but to give some credit where credit's due, at least the price started to fight back in the afternoon as this little miniature upwards channel formed. But yeah, that does come within the context of a big fall to the downside. So in all actuality, in looking at today just individually, you could call that a bear flag formation that has formed. So not the greatest day, like I said, but point being, it could have been a lot worse, because had the price not bounced at all and the price had just continued to drift downwards lower and lower, then yeah, that's a much different looking chart. But the price was at least able to get up above that $11, which is going to be the key level to watch going forward from the support standpoint. Because if the price drops back below $11, well, then that just puts the price all of a sudden essentially right back to where it was, and now it's threatening going even lower than where it had sunk today, and that's not what you would want to see from a bullish side of things. But again, to be fair, at least the price was able to get above 11, and now it's a question of just making sure the price stays above 11. But definitely a very important level now is going to be more so even at the 1085 mark, because that is the low from back there several days ago, and then that's also where the price struggled to continue to go down, but struggled in a good way there as far as just going sideways before working its way back upwards. But again, if the price were to go back to that level, break to the downside, and then just continue on down, the problem with that is at that point it's starting to put the price into this open gap area here. And I'm not saying that it's automatically crashing down to $10, but there is definitely some open area on the chart where there could be some increase in downwards pressure and momentum. So keep a close eye on that. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, the main overall one right now is all about that purple line up there, the 50-period moving average. And you can see it's been already acting as resistance right there. And it's still prices a little bit of ways from it. So that's why, in my opinion, at least right now, the last priority is really having anything to do with breaking levels of resistance. And the top priority by far right now is just making sure that the price can ideally stay above 11, or if not, worst case, stay above 1085. So we'll see if the price can get that job done or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.